Hi, everybody, and welcome to Shades of Grey Unboxing. And this is our third try. This first one was too long. Second one cut off halfway because it froze on us, and
Froze
we
on
didn't
us.
realize it stopped recording. So hopefully we can get this one right.
Yeah, this is our
Fingers
third
crossed.
time reviewing the same box. So,
Fingers crossed.
yeah, sorry if it sounds a little like we've already said it before because we have 3 times. All right,
so today we are unboxing the Rachel Zoe box of style. For seasonal members, it is $99 a box, and for annual members, it is $349 per box. Of course, annual members get extra perks. You can select your items early, or you can get anniversary gift for being an annual member. So these are things that are curated by designer, businesswoman Rachel Zoe. So the first thing we're going to show you is the Hollywood Glamour palette,
which is here.
Yes, and she's wearing her eyes.
I'm wearing it right now.
Yes.
Let me open it up for you guys.
So this is valued at $15. It is a beautiful eyeshadow palette from Lorac Cosmetics collection. It has buildable colors that can be worn to brunch, the office, or night out, and it contains 100% certified authentic diamonds with a brilliant shine. And as you can see, she only used the bottom two colors here.
Yeah. I mean, I've rarely used this one.
One tap of her finger,
yeah,
put it on.
This one, the sparkly one in the corner, bottom corner, I did one swipe and put it here. This is one swipe, guys, on my eyes. So
yes.
Yeah, it's super pigmented.
And we're considered more of a deep warm.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it would look good on anybody. This is a really good versatile palette.
It's a little mirror as well.
Yes, which I've never seen one with a mirror before.
I love that.
Yeah, usually mini ones have no mirror.
True.
Okay. Also, it came with 2 gifts. Since it's a first time box, it came with
this is just for one season.
Yeah. First time. Your very first time ordering a box, it comes with little gifts to kind of just say thank you for trying us out.
Which are some of the best gifts I've ever seen in any box, because these are brand name, guys. This is Chanel. This is a travel size Chanel mascara and
Chanel Gabrielle.
And Chanel Gabrielle perfume.
And this is different. I've never seen this before, where you squeeze it in the squirts. So be careful once you open it.
Yeah, you literally just squeeze here and then it squirts up, and it smells so good.
And for those who are wondering, this is the wand that you get when you get the mascara. So it's a really nice wand.
That'll go on really well.
It'll go on really smooth. And she actually has this on her eyes too.
Yeah.
On her lashes. So you get a good idea. Yeah. And she always complains about her lashes.
Yeah, they're short.
But
I get that from my dad.
Yeah. Hi, Dad.
Yeah. Hey,
we
Dad.
still love you.
Hey, Mom.
Short lashes look good on you.
For sure.
This is true.
All right. So,
so the next thing is the watch.
Oh,
sorry. I kind of went ahead of me here.
Sorry. Oh, yeah, I really love this one.
Yes.
It's a rose gold watch, guys.
This is Eddie Bargo rose gold watch. Rachel Zoe loves metallics, so she works together with Eddie Bargo to put this watch together. It has rose gold that can be paired with bangles or just worn by itself. It's stainless steel with the rose gold plating and an adjustable metal strap. This is valued at $115. And like I said before, the box itself was only $99. So the watch itself gives you the value that you need. And in case I didn't say before, the palette is valued at $15.
All right. And it's just super pretty. Pretty staple piece.
Yeah. So if you have bangles, you can add it with that. Or you can just leave it to itself because it's so shiny, you really don't need any other jewelry with it. You can just leave it by itself.
True.
Very true.
All right.
Okay, so next, caplet or capelet. We'll go with capelet. I realize there's an extra E in there.
True. So a capelet, guys, it's a shawl with arms. Pretty much. I like that though.
Yeah, so most shawls will be open here. This one's completely closed.
Okay. With tassels.
She loves the tassels. She's like a cat. Ooh, it has tassels. Let me swat at it.
Yeah. It's a pretty little pattern. I like that on you. Where's the belt?
Read
There's
this
also
first.
a belt. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself here since it's our third time doing this. All right. This is the Cleo Bella caplet, which is capelet, which is luxe draped knitwear, grand for the least and never goes out of style. In one of her favorite hues, Bordeaux, this cardigan looks stunning with everything from wide leg denim to till evening wear. It's 100% acrylic, dry
So
clean.
don't get near fire.
Oh, good point. Yeah, you did much better in chemistry than me. All right. 100% acrylic. It is dry clean only. And it has a reverse pattern piece, which instantly turns up the versatility of your wardrobe. Okay.
Besides the darker side, besides the purple side,
I like the purple side.
And so, how much is it valued at?
This is valued as $228, guys. So,
definitely your money's worth.
Yeah. There was also a cute little belt in the bag, which this is our first time trying it on with the capelet.
Yeah.
So
before we did it, we didn't put it on with the capelet.
Yeah. So this is the Belo belt, camel wrap belt. It's vegan leather, House of Harlow. Okay. The belt is 47 inches for the small or medium, and a 55-inch for the large and extra large. It is, again, 100% vegan leather. That's really pretty together. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So when you pick the belt, you have a choice of getting either earrings or necklace. I have tons of earrings, so I decided to go with the necklace,
which is my favorite.
She loves the necklace.
She gave it to me.
Okay, while she put this on. Okay, the necklace is 18 karat gold plated, with a 3-inch extender, and it has crystal accents all throughout.
Gosh, let me just turn my.
She's gonna turn her other necklace around.
Okay, guys, look at how pretty this is.
It's gorge, super gorge.
I mean, look at this. Wow,
it is gorgeous.
It's beautiful. It's actually really pretty with like what I have on now.
Yeah, with her eyeshadow and her earrings that she's already wearing, it actually comes out to be a really nice piece on her, especially with this dress.
Yes, and it does. It can get. I just like my necklaces up high for some reason, but it can get lower. So let me show you guys the lowest setting. Okay, that's the lowest, and then that's higher up on your neck.
Yeah, that's really nice. I like that one.
I love it. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. And if we could get a little closer so you can see the crystal accents in it. So those are the crystal accents that they have.
And then the tassel piece.
Yeah, which
is a little tangled.
Like we said, we've done this a couple times now. And so it's got a little tangled. There we go.
All right.
So very, very pretty out there.
Yes.
And so since this was a group together, the belt and the earrings, or the belt and the necklace, totaled at $165. Now, if you'd chosen the earrings were Harlow earrings, and they measured at 3 inches in length, and they also had crystal accents.
Okay, so it was kind of like a matching.
Yeah, they kind of probably match together. Yeah,
okay.
And I believe that you can get the earrings in the add-on section if you did want the earrings themselves.
Oh, so there is an add-on section.
Yes, they do have add-on sections that you can add more stuff to your box if you would like to try it.
Cool.
So for $99, you got the sample mascara. Yeah, very pretty. You got
Chanel.
Chanel mascara. Let's put that in there.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. You got the Chanel perfume, which still smells good.
I love it.
Yes, still smells good. And you got the beautiful belt, the wrap belt.
Yes.
Which is helpful if you gain weight on and off like me, because you don't have to worry about the holes and punching holes in your belt. Yeah, this is wrap belt. Beautiful idea.
Yeah.
You also got the necklace. If I didn't say that again.
Yeah, the necklace.
You got the tote bag. Oh my gosh, we forgot the tote bag again.
Oh my gosh.
What is wrong with us?
We did this video 3 times and forgot
the tote bag.
The tote bag twice.
So we're gonna go back to the tote bag. I'm so sorry, people. We're so sorry. Okay, so this is the tote bag. It is a blush color. It's 100% vegan leather. It is by Rachel Kae. That is Kae. It is 16 inches high, 14 inches in width, and 4.5 inches in depth. It has a braided handle, and it also has a 42-inch crossbody strap. And when we've done this video before, Leslie pointed out that this does not have any pockets on the inside.
Yeah.
So if you're a person that needs a pocket to like hold your makeup or your wallet, this one won't have it. So you will need another makeup case to kind of put something into it. And that way you can have sort of pockets. This bag right here is valued at $150.
And again, this is the Jules K. And we mentioned earlier in the video that it actually it shows as
like white, but
as a light tan color, but it's actually
a blush.
It's a blush color. It's really pretty, guys.
Yeah, I love it a lot.
Yeah, me too.
So the gold bag,
pocketless.
Pockets.
So if that's a big deal to you,
then you probably won't like this. But you can always gift it. I would never complain if somebody gave me this bag.
Never. And again for the vegans, it's 100% vegan. I know that's important to a lot of people.
Yeah.
For the animals. So yeah, and so was the belt.
Yes.
So, yeah.
So once again, that was the eyeshadow palette, the rose gold watch, the caplet that I'm wearing, the tote, the belt, the necklace,
yes,
and the mascara and the perfume. I paid $99. I actually got a $25 off for it because it was my first box, so around $76. And I got $673 in value.
That is insane.
Yes. So, what was your least favorite?
I mean, and I'm only saying this because I'm a solid color person, guys. I love solids. I'm not a pattern person. I don't really like the way they look on me. So, I would say my least favorite was the capelet.
Yes.
The shawl.
Value at $228.
Yeah. So, but it's pretty. It's pretty on her. I just,
some people just aren't in the pattern.
I'm a solid girl.
I respect that.
Yeah. But my most favorite, like I said before, was the necklace. I love the necklace.
Yes. So. For me, I'm actually the opposite. The necklace was probably my least favorite simply because I get tangled in those type of necklaces. I'm spending most of my time picking the small one, the large one out of the small one, or the medium one out of the small one, and they just get so wrapped up in each other. I spend most of my day pulling them apart. So for me, that would just be more inconvenient. So that's why I wouldn't pick it. Like if it was just the one chain with the tassel, I'd probably be fine with it. But the fact that it's layered, it's really not my style.
I respect that.
Honestly, the tote bag is actually my favorite. Even though I love pockets, I have plenty of tinier purses that I can easily throw in there. And regardless of what I put in my bag, I'm going to lose it. There is no way around that. You put keys in my bag, I'm not going to be able to find them until next week.
We made a joke that and it's not even a joke, it's we're dead serious, that we lose our keys or wallet like monthly.
Yeah, it's pretty sad.
But it always comes up again.
Yeah, it always comes up. Yeah. We haven't learned from our lesson yet. So if you like what you want to do or you want us to review a certain box, waste our money. Don't waste yours. Yeah. And we'll review it for you. So like, comment, and subscribe below. And remember, in life, there's black and white. But with us, you always get a shade of gray. Bye.
Bye, guys.